Hey, welcome to Coding with Chris. Back with Cave Lords. All right, hey V, going. All right. So I spent a few minutes before the stream just checking out the problem we were having last time, and it turns out that the problem we ended on is because I was creating tile here instead of Playmap tile, and tile doesn't have an index parameter in it initializer, so it didn't know what the hell that was. So I fixed that. Just creating the wrong class. So that's all cool. That's mo better now. But now what I get is this. It's what comes up as my map. I'm thinking that's not correct, so I've got to figure out what. So we need to do some debug logging, I think. See if we can figure out what the what is. So where I'm having the problem, I would assume, is in the it's in the tile where I get the sprite. So sprite sheet manager, sprite hash by index, right? Okay. So let's see. This out for the moment. X and X row. Hey Poto, what's going on? X column. Just make sure we're getting the stuffs there. I really got to work on my save load. I say that every bloody episode and I never get around to doing it, but I need to do that so I don't do this every time. We're at a point where I need to get to this. Well, that didn't thing. Okay. Which means what? That means my Playmap scene should be calling the tile sprite. Certainly did not. Okay, so I think then that this is not where the issue is. Not rid of that quite yet. Let's see. Sorry, checking the stream. Seemed a little. I guess it's okay. Everybody still seeing okay? Going all right? All right, so it must be where I'm doing the dot sprite. So Playmap, so it's on Playmap sprites. Would go up to the generic map and should be filling the sprites. Well, okay. So I obviously didn't something. Oh, good. All right. Thanks, Poto. Yeah, because I need to be filling up this sprites array, I think. I don't know. We're not. So it must be in the world map that I'm doing. Aha! Hey, sire, what's happening? So doing here, generate the sprite hash array. Is this getting? It's getting called in the front. That is. They can go. Probably just a package that I don't need. It wasn't mine. I didn't order it, so I don't care. Huh? Whatever. Anyway, okay. So in the generate map is at the end of that is the generate sprite hash. So am I doing that in the Playmap scene? Generate map. No, I am not. Oh, wait. I draw map. This. Fill in the play map, but I'm never filling the sprites. Okay. So I need to have these things, I think. I mean, all right. Let us do that. Oh, no. No. No, the tiled map is just gonna be the indexes. So I'm gonna need to call the sprite by, what do I call it? No. Damn it. Tiled map gives me back. Ah. It is something for me. Keto bars. Yay. Thanks. That, but I don't need to do it with, because I don't have this yet, I don't think. So what is tile map in my world map? What exactly is that? Okay, thanks. Map. Okay, and map is just internal map. All right, what am I doing with that? Oh. No. Wait. Confused. Get over here. Thanks. Keep track of what I'm doing. All right, so in the world map, generate map is handling the internal map. This generate map, we haven't done that. That's why. Okay. all we've done is gotten back the list of indexes, sprite indexes. So tiled map is just my 2x2 array of indexes. So what I need to do is I need to then go through those and put them in the map. So I need to do something like this. Wait, this is where I'm generating the world. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Playmap tile, I'm having the problem because I'm generating the index, which means that somewhere, and I'm doing that in Playmap, right? Energy manager. What do that do? Did I do that in the scene? Oh. Oh, you dummy. Oh, hit points. What? No, okay, so I'm balls. All right, so wait a minute. So that's, I've got this in the wrong place. This stuff. Wait, I don't. Oh my God, what have I done? What have I done? All right. World map. We do generate map, which is here. We are actually generating the map of tiles. In Playmap, though, we're just generating the map of sprite indexes. And then we're trying to do this here. And that's okay, so this is correct, but what I need here is not just sprite. I need the sprite by sprite. What do I need? But actually called sprite hash by index. So the playmap tile will call that. So why isn't that coming back? Because if I've got draw map here, calls that and put that in playmap. So this is my actual playmap is my 2D array of playmap tiles. If I map sprite to that, sprite should call into that index hash, and then doesn't seem to be though. So let me do this. See if we've got a play map. Okay, I have a play map there. Play map tiles, so if I do map yep. That doesn't seem right. Why would my output primitives look like this? It can't be right. Can it? How? Wait, what? How is that the sprite? What? So, Playmap is full of Playmap tiles. Playmap tile has a sprite. Sprite hash by index from here should give me a hash back. It's not. It's like it's not even calling that. What? Where the hell is this coming from? My num columns equal to 0. Oh. Shouldn't be. What? What? Can I get to 5 R's in here? It's nil. Because I don't have access to the... Well... Balls. Oh. Great, dummy. Alright, so this... Okay. That should be okay. It's giving me back a sprite. But what's ending up in my... Wait, I'm not mapping something. It's ending up in my primitives, though, not hashes. Right? Yeah, that's goofy. Why would it do that? Because I have to flatten it first. Now, didn't somebody tell me last week that I didn't have to do a flatten on this? We're going to try a flatten on that. I swear Levi told me that I didn't have to do. I misheard. Where's Levi? That's right. I'm blaming Levi. Okay, so now I've got actual things here. Okay, that looks... Except it's an array. I don't... Well, no, that's right. It's an array of hashes. So... Puny world, overworld, tile... Okay, so is this all... Maybe I've just got names wrong or something. I think that's correct, and it should be relative there, right? So is it finding the right thing? How can I check if it's actually finding this? I think Playmap does something a little different, if I remember correctly. Thanks. I don't care if you update. Yeah, because it does the map and then the flatten. You end up with different results somehow. It's a hair splitting kind of thing, but I think it doesn't actually work in this case. The only thing I can think that's given me weird results is that it's not actually finding this. How can I check that? Well, in my world tile, show a checkerboard. Okay. Well, and so the pathing is right because it's showing that. So all right, let's look at this thing then. Through crap. That oh shit, what was that tool I had last time? I could have sworn I bookmarked that. Piscal. Ah, crap. See you, Poto. Have a good night. How did I not save that? All right, let me... Bear with me a sec. No, I bookmarked it somewhere. That. Oh, good God, I'm never gonna find that from. I guess I could look back at. Oh, what's it called? Ah. Find it. Not. Hey, Levi. I'm trying to figure out why my sprite sheet looks like this. Something is going wrong with the tiling somehow, the addressing. Because I got what appeared to be correct. Oh, no, my primitives are. Why is that nil? Using sprite texture. Sure. I mean, no, I don't think so. Oh. Oh. I see what you mean. That's black and white crap. Why is it so zoomed in? Holy crap. All right. So what that means is I've got a misspelling. I mean, it's okay. Right? That seems right. Pass should be okay. What's missing here? I mean, unless it's somehow picking out something that's, you know, like an empty space in here. Still. Because we hadn't actually put that stuff in the render target yet. Yeah. Right. Yeah, so I'm making this Playmap render target. So, all right, so I've got the right stuff, it looks like, going into the primitives. I just need to put it in the render target instead, right? Not making a what? In what name? Talking about? Okay, so I need to... Crap, I've forgotten how to do map. Targets. I create some. I can't remember how to actually put stuff in a render target rather than just in the... Hey, Force Fiend. Oh yeah, having just loads of fun. It's confusing. You know how that is. Set up. This is where I'm doing the targets, okay. Well, yeah, but I mean, it's not just this replaced with the render target, right? Oh. Okay, so I just put it in the sprites of the render target instead of doing this. I thought I had to put it in the primitives and then reference that from... So anyway. Add it just before the primitives. Wait, but something though. In my scene base, I've got a create render targets. So which does this. Sets all this stuff up. With the primitives in it. Yeah, Twitch doesn't ever let you, Twitch is a bitch. So wait, I think I've already got the render target. What I need to do is get it to playmap.sprites. Oh my goodness. I think this is the reason, a problem. Well, yeah, it does set the width and height. I do that in this create render target thing. So correct, but that's being done. Whatever I'm doing, you're scared of it? Well, whatever. And then right, so this definition is used in my create render. Target value becomes my primitive. So what this needs to be is this. Well, see, now somebody told me before not to mark it as transient because big performance hit. I'm confused about what that does, but that's fine. Shall do so because I'm tired of seeing this yellow ass text. So I just want to do this as, does it matter where in this stack that happens? Yes, it is very confusing. I mean, I understand what the concept of the word is, but I don't understand what it is in the context of this. Okay, so this should all be fine then. And then my primitives weren't... Yeah, that's the problem. Okay. I wasn't flattening them and mapping them out. And I wasn't I was assigning that to a local variable instead of an IVAR, so I didn't know what the hell that was. So this I don't need to do because that all handles that. So I think not to save huge pixel array version of the render target because you'll be writing the whole thing every frame in. Well, okay. So that brings up the question then, is it better to write that every frame or so it's still better to write it every frame rather than having ER save off the pixel array. Oh, I think I'm tracking now. Okay, perfect. Now I understand. Makes sense. Got it. All right, so this Levi guarantees this to work. Hi, camera. You want to focus? Thanks. Twitch is having existential problems today. Why? What's it having a problem with? Oh, it affects me for 0 frames. I like that number. Oh, God. Flatten method missing on... sorry, what? Working thing. Oh. I mean, it working is an existential problem? Why does Playmap not have a flatten? Playmap should be... Got 2 things here. Called Playmap. Alright, that's a problem. Flattening what you think is an array of sprites, but is actually a... No, I think it's what I think is an array of it's a 2-dimensional array of Playmap tile objects that have a sprite method. But I think where I'm having a problem is I've actually got 2 things in here named Playmap, 2 IVARs. One of them with an underscore and one without, and I'm getting the wrong. So this, yeah, I've got this in the wrong damn place. Right, yeah. Well, my problem here is I put this thing in the wrong place. This looping, this actually should be in the Playmap, not the Playmap scene. Because then the Playmap is this thing, actually the Playmap. And then I've created a chicken. All right. Just going to hack around this. First of all, call this call it that. So I mean, I know I could just put the underscore in the, or take the underscore out of the thing up there, but having two things named so similarly is just a bloody mess, and I'm not going to do it. All right, so, and it's not sprites, right? All right. Think that'll fix it. Huh, what the hell? Ah, bull sex. But if that's coming through here, that should be transient. Why is it saying that? I don't understand. Hi, camera. You want to focus? Thanks. Thanks for playing. All right, well, the transient thing is not my main problem, right? That. That'll go to scene base. It creates the render target, and then it does this, and my primitives should at this point somewhere I'm making a world map render target that isn't related to this function where you're finding a render target. I don't think so. Scene. Nope, not there. That's the where we're making the world map target, the definition for it. We're just calling it there. That's, oh, that's for my tests. So, no, I don't think so. Let's see, let's put out... Second. So if that's... I wonder if it's returning... Whoa. Why would that be a thing that blew shit up? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I mean, it just tried to put primitives out here. Well, yeah, I mean, that's what it dumped on, but why? Just too big? It can't handle that much text? Oh, okay. How about if I just put out first one? So let's inspect what that is. All right. So it's got the stuff. Primitives, all right. Well, and I should only get this once. So does it get to there? So, all right. So I've got a render target called play_map, and it's got stuff in it. So it's getting to this point, it's loading it up. So obviously I'm not putting it anywhere. That must be the problem. So if I draw, so I'm supposed to be drawing the render targets. Am I calling that in here? Yes. It's called play_map. So I'm not doing the pawn map anymore. So just simplify this. Now. I'm not having any weird crap with that. So, and then the draw should be called every tick, yeah. Restrictions, so I mean, that's the right name. And I wish that there was a way I could put like a break right here so that I could look at things in the console. That would be super helpful. Like have a pry built into DR. That would be so cool. Need to look at here. I can try. Although, you remember when we did that before. Well, let's see. Where do I put my RTs? I just do this. Wait. That's not correct. Is that correct? That's not how you do a render target. But that's not, well, I know, but that's... Right, that doesn't, that just creates the render target. Then it calls this, which does the draw sprite. Should be overloaded here. Hell is that? Oh, yeah. So I have a thing that comes down through and does this, and it puts the render target in there, right? So this is the other half of it. I've created the render target, loaded it with the stuff, and then this actually puts it in the sprites. to draw it, right? Args output sprites. So, okie dokie. I've seen. I changed it, right? Yeah. Whoa. Why is it all of a sudden different? Yeah, something definitely changed. Good God, I need to figure out the scaling. Seem to be unscaling though. All right. Well, okay. So I think this is correct. I just need to fix the scaling problem. I don't know. I don't understand what changed though. Just me putting it. Right. That's all we changed. Magic of Levi. All right. So I need to fix the scaling issue. My size is 16. I'm used to it being 4, and where I did my sprite sheet manager, we've got a scale multiplier. I know, right? That's what I was saying earlier in the stream. Where the hell is Levi? I can't fix shit without Levi here. Don't need that. So scale multiplier, that goes to the width and height of the actual sprite. Yeah, so on my Playmap tile, I'm setting my scale multiplier to 2.5. So that, since my sprite is 16 and I'm 2.5, so that would make my sprite 30 something. But what the hell is making it enormous? I don't. Oh, it's not the individual sprite that's getting enormous sized. It is the zoom factor on the camera. Set zoom. Or not? Damn it. Thought I had a reset. Doing the damn zoom. It's tile from mouse position. That's need. the wrong place, am I? That scale, that's... Okay, that's what I was looking for. The Playmap scene... Oh, geez. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, I was zooming in 16 times. No freaking wonder I was having a problem. What? Is that a problem all of a sudden? What the hell's going on here? That was my Playmap scene I changed. I didn't change the... What? Okay. I don't know what that was all about. All right. Start here. Okay. What? Why? Why does it change if I do a puts? I am not happy about that. I don't understand that. All right. Okay. All right. Well, we got something. I don't know what the hell it is, but it's something. So we've got... Oh man, I can't put the whole string out, and I can't... I guess what I could do is dump it to a file. I need to be able to investigate what this actual array looks like. Because... that... Put them in an output var. I basically made just a bunch of these things. Got a few of them, but... Well, I basically... I mean... I could put that in a variable, I suppose, but... That's what it is. I need to do some refactoring here. This concept a little simpler. Got shit bouncing all over the death. But we got something on the screen. Now, what do we have on the screen? That's the question. So what I actually want to see first is index array. That's here. So I've got that in args. No. That is tile IDs. That's this. So I want to see this. So that should be my array of just index numbers. Okay, so I got a bunch of zeros. That's problematic. And this should be a 10 by 10, so what the hell is this showing up? Right? 5, 6. Yeah. Yeah. So what am I looking at? Yeah, 10 by 10. Array is. And so that should map to, because I wanted a 10 by 10 map, which is, should be getting. The map is the same. Right, yeah. And I'm getting 10 by 10 back, which, you know, and these are all valid numbers. I probably want to reduce probability of this one a bit. So let's raise these, because I saw 0 water in there. But anywho, I'm not sure what I was looking at there. Because this, so I think we got a few of these from around here, and then like a few of these from around here or something, which is great, but why is it showing me that weird configuration? So now I need to find out what is in the actual primitives. I can't just put this out because it'll puke. So this all looks okay to me. Am I doing something wrong in the... Let's see what happens if I... Make sure I'm getting X's and Y's correct. I want to put out... What? I do, Levi. Oh, well. I mean, that. I mean, just because it didn't know what Y was, it should have known what I was trying to do. Well, that's after an increment. There. What the hell? Oh. I was just testing you, Levi. Making sure you were still awake. All right. Well, actually, what I wanted was a sprite, not the fact that it's a class. Although, I mean, it looks like we're filling all of the... I mean, we're filling the array out properly, it seems. Should... So, I've got the right number of cells, but why am I seeing this weird arrangement of stuff? Understand how that correlates to this. I'm assuming that, like, this is a 10... I don't think each one of these sprite. I think this is a 10 by 10 blob. Somehow I'm... 3 of them? Can't be right. I'm getting different tile X and Y's, so I mean it's different tiles, which is good. Yeah, they do, because my definition, this is index 0, so it's just picking the grass. So that's valid, and its X and Y would be 0, right? Should, because it's the top left. That's also what's what? Are the sprites not 0 based in DR? Or oh, well, no. Are the sprites bottom right 0 in DR? Not, I mean bottom left, not top left. Well, oh, that X and Y. I thought you were talking about the tile X and Y. Yeah. The shit. Oh, it's putting the same. Good catch, Levi. So I need. Okay. Source X and source Y are from bottom left. Well, shit. Okay. Well, probably have to fix that, but hey. Let's see. So that's in my sprite sheet manager. It's putting this out. X and Y and the tile X and Y are same, well, yeah, that would be a problem. So what I need, oh, calling this wrong. Six row. Sprite is sprite from here. Yeah. Tile X and the X should be the same. I mean, that works. This is the same code that runs for the world. What, Levi? What am I missing? The logic is very... Which logic? Logic of... How the hell am I doing this in the world map? Right, so I've got all these tiles. That would be in the world map itself. So, yeah, it's just getting the sprite off of... Works for the world map. I don't... Oh. Wait. So in the world map, I call tile map flatten sprite. The tile maps are my world tiles. Call sprite here. So see this. Except if they're 0, that's still going to be 0. That ain't going to change anything if they're 0. And that's fine. Oh, that's this X. Wait, no. Oh. I'm catching up. It's okay. I'm good. I'm good, Levi. All right. Oh, gotta reload you. Ain't gonna work. Balls. Dial up noise. Shut up. What? Error 144. The hell does that mean? What? Got to return a hash. Oh. I didn't. What are you talking about? What the hell was that all about? Oh, come on. What is this? Sure, let's start there. Hey, all right, we have a something. I mean, this is a gross map, but it's a thing. You like that music, huh? All right. Well, I mean, fairly quick too, actually. I like it. I don't know why the hell my world map is all dorked. You can't make that. You can't do that? Wait, maybe I can. Oh, no, I can't. Well, oh. There you go. That'll have to do. All right, so what the this puts just the thanks. I don't need that anymore. We'll get back to that later. So, okay. But why the hell is my world map not showing up now? Now it is. Sure. All right, let's start here. So we're going to start in a rainforest, which is, hey, look at that. I got some water that time. That's cool. All right. This is, I don't think this is quite working. The WFC or my rules aren't quite working, I think. Or maybe they're just misdefined and I'm, but well, no, maybe not. I think I've just got definitions that are goofy. Because everywhere on the left of one of these is, yeah, I think the definitions are, so I'll have to spend some time definitioning it. But this kind of works. That's cool. Not very interesting yet, but And I'm honestly surprised by how fast that WFC is. I mean, it's pretty instantaneous to get 100. Let's see what happens if I jack this up to bigger. Where do I define my... Map C. Somewhere I've got to be defining that. Oh. Playmap width. 100 by 50. Okay, what if I do... Playmap tile size is not 460. I don't think I'm actually using... Oh no. Filthy Beautiful Oyster Double Rainbow. I love it. Love the names they give these. Really quick too. Actually. Nice. Nice. All right. I'm not sure I'm actually using this, though I should be. Where we're actually doing this is here. So what I should do is width and height. I should use those 200. That would be insane. Let's just double it for the moment. And somewhere I'm setting that. On yeah, I probably do. I do that. Take. Oh, come on. All right. Let's see what that does. What did I screw up? Yeah, I know. Bloody going too fast. Fingers. All right, I blew things up. What did I blow up here? Oh, odd. Oh. Just too big. Put it back to 10. Just to make sure. so 20 by 20 doesn't seem like it'd be too much to handle. Yeah, but I mean, that doesn't seem right. Let's just do 15 by 15. Okay, that seems to work. So I'm hitting some kind of limit somewhere, apparently. Well, I mean, I would think... Now, it may not be DR. It could be something in the WFC that's causing a problem. For instance, it may... I don't think I have proper handling for dead ends, and it may have hit a dead end in that particular case, so it may not have been a size thing. There's still a little bit of work I got to do on the WFC. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's what it was. It was just, it hit a dead end. Just a joke. All right, so I'm not getting a lot of water. But, I mean, I'm getting stuff, and they're random. Oh, there is some water down there. Look at that. There, you know, it's randomly generating things. It's generating different things. These look to be properly connected with right stuff. I think I've got a definition on this side because it's crap. And there's some repeating things, but I think that is all has to do with my definition file. So this thing is probably a little goofy. I'll need to go in and think about that. Probably put more variants in. But then also, what I need to do is to either have different JSONs depending, because what I want to do is take this tile set, right, and have different configurations of this tile set or different biomes that you start in, right? So I could either do an array. I could either do different files for each biome, and then the biome can just load that particular JSON file and it. Or I could do it in one file and have an array of hashes, and then the hash has a name of the biome. But I think that'll get to be messy, and B, I think it'll just be easier to just do separate JSON files for each biome. Just have them named. So, yeah, biome manager, handle it. Yeah, so I think that's the way to do it. But the fundamentals seem to be here. I've still got some work to do on the WFC because it's doing some weird things, I think, and it doesn't handle if it hits a dead end, which is what I think happened in that 20 by 20. It doesn't yet have proper handling for that. So that needs to be a thing. And then I need to go through here and kind of map out what I want to do with the, the definitions here for all these different biomes and keep playing with it. But I think the fundamentals are there. I think the system works. Right? Anything else we need to do with that actual system other than the mundane crap that I just need to go through? I don't think so. So I think I'll do that off screen because that's gross. All right, so we got the Good. Nice. Love it. All right. Making some progress. Making some progress. All right. That's for the pawns. We're not going to do that yet. Yeah. All right, so I think the next thing to work on is the save load system so that I don't have to go through new game stuff. I can just save one of these off, and then when I come in here, I can hit load and just go straight into the I mean, it would be the play map. Yeah, what I also need is some contextual menus. So if I'm in the play map, I want to be able to like hit escape or hit the map button and look at my overworld map, right? Also need to do some work on this screen. This is just gross. I'm tired of looking at this. I want things to look nicer, so this needs some work. Your magical live is not safe from DR's badness with long strings either. So when I JSON parse and when I'm working on my save load, I'm going to be very sad. Is that what you're telling me? Well, as long as I don't put one very long string, if I'm evaluating each object one at a time, that should be okay. I guess we'll find out if we run into problems. Plus, I'm not sure the best way to, I mean, like right now, I'm just writing out the answer to both questions, yeah. Right now, I'm just writing out all the world and all the play map and all the state and just everything. But that's, I don't think, the best way to necessarily do that. I think, well, I don't know. We'll have to see. I'm not that smart. Yeah, we can yell at Amir to fix strings at some point, but I want to make sure I'm breaking the shit out of him before I yell at him and give him something to, hey, here's the limit. I'm sure he already knows that that's a thing, right? Poto broke them. That doesn't surprise me with the stuff he's doing. All right, so let's get a little bit of a roadmap going here. The hell? What was I thinking here? Oh. Yeah. Got into a different. Mouse drag. Tile info box. After. Right. Yeah. So this is, we're getting ready for this, but this is one of the things we got to do next. So let's someday. People there, save files, save load, play maps. So we need that. Right. I think I may start milestoning some of these things so I can keep track of what I want to do, because it's getting... Yeah, I do, because it's just, well, A, I want to learn how the C extension stuff works and get that working. B, I don't like how long it takes. mean, I realize that's not a long time, but I want it as fast as I can get it. I have no patience. All right. Well, I think this is a fairly good roadmap to start with. So you could just drag and drop order these things. I guess I could project and set it up with the chart stuff and move it around, but I don't feel like doing that right now. Maybe I'll do it between. But anyway, I think this is a good set of stuff to work on as we go. One I need that. Also, what did I want to do? Could do some stuff. You mean for this C implementation of Perlin noise? That would be awesome. You know, just so you're aware, there is already a C-Ruby C wrapper implementation of Perlin noise that you can look at. Just saying. I ain't gonna tell you how to do your job, bro. Just saying, there is one. But hey, I'd be thrilled if you did a thing with the C implementation of that. Because I just want to see if we can get it faster. Because I'd like to do more with it, but I'm not excited about how long it's taking in native Ruby. It's too tight of a. Yeah, I mean, whatever floats your boat, man. I'm down for whatever. So, yeah, there we go. Got to make that pretty. Yeah, I think that will get us going. So I think the next thing I want to do is the save load, get that straightened out, and the I'd like to get this going too, because I want to drag that map around. I don't want to have to keys. That's driving me nuts. I don't like it. It's too slow. So I think cleaning up the main menu, mouse drag to move the map, and save and load are the next things to get into. Cool. And then the C implementation of Perl. Oh, I also need to. All right, hold on. I want to start playing with that DR spec stuff that I'm blank. Can't remember. Leveru. I really don't know how to say that, but wrote that DR spec thing, and I want to play with that a little. I also want to. Yes, French fella. I am no good with French pronunciations, so I'm barely good with English pronunciations, actually, so I sure as hell can't do French. But yeah, I wanna play with that a little bit at some point. My God, this is so big. But, I mean, we're just having fun. I'm not trying to actually get a game out the door, so I don't have to worry about it that much. Not like something I have to be stressed about. If this takes 4 years, it takes 4 years. Why care? Probably be good to fix too. I can't imagine that would be terribly difficult. That's just a matter of adding the zoom factor to where I'm looking for tile is under here. So, all right. I think I'm going to go ahead and call it there for today because I'm god awful tired again, as usual. But we did good, chat. Famous last words. It can't be that bad. Neither can WFC, right? Simple. Anyway, Thursday we will have Noah Gibbs on to talk about childhood development and programming and how those two things can work together, which is really interesting. That's going to be an interesting conversation. Sad news. Creston is probably not going to be able to stream on Fridays anymore. So I mean, life happens. So he wanted to, but just can't do it anymore. So I will be the only person that you can yell at every week, I'm afraid, unless you want to come on Thursdays and yell at him while he. But anywho, I'll still be here because I'm having fun and I need the break from work once a week to reset my brain. Anyway, I'm gonna go have some dinner with my family and probably watch a little bit more of Band of Brothers with my daughter. So, all cool. I will see you guys later. Make sure to like, subscribe, tell your friends, bring some views, help me out. Let's do this thing. See you guys next time. Till then, happy programming. Bye.